Would you like to save your favorite Instagram videos and Reels for offline viewing or sharing with friends? In this video, I'll guide you through a simple and effective method to download Instagram videos and Reels directly to your device. Disclaimer: the methods shared in this video are for personal use only and should not be used for reposting, redistribution, or commercial purposes. This content is for educational purposes only. Downloading Instagram videos or Reels without the creator's consent may violate Instagram's terms of service and copyright laws. Always ensure you have permission from the original content creator before downloading or sharing their content. Now let's dive into the process. I'm currently in my Instagram app, and I'll navigate to the Reels section by tapping here. Our goal is to find a reel we like and want to save to our photo gallery. I really enjoy this nature video, so I'll tap on the share icon, located on the right side of the screen, just below the comments section. This will bring up the share sheet, where you can share the video with others. However, we're interested in the options at the bottom. Scroll down until you find the download option with a small arrow icon. Tap on it and wait a few seconds for the Instagram reel or video to download to your gallery. If you don't see the download icon in the share sheet, it means the creator has updated their privacy settings to restrict downloads. In this case, you won't be able to save the reel because the creator has disabled this feature. If you have any questions or suggestions about this process, feel free to leave a comment on this video. See you soon.